Let's take a look at the KTC H25T7 24.5 inch Full HD monitor. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. First, I'll start off by unboxing it and setting it up. There's a power adapter, an HDMI cable with manuals and a tool for the stand, as well as the base for the stand. The base mounts to the arm with a single Phillips screw. And here's the monitor itself. This is a 180Hz IPS monitor with 1 millisecond response time. It's HDR10 capable and supports G-Sync and FreeSync. This monitor has a sleek and slim profile with a borderless design, making it appealing both physical appearance-wise as well as when it's in use. The monitor can be adjusted back and forth between 5 and 15 degrees. It's also VESA compatible, so it can be mounted from the back instead of using the stand. As for connectivity, it has a DC power in, 2 HDMI 2.0 ports, 1 DisplayPort 1.4, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The display or screen has a matte finish, so it's good against annoying reflections, especially when playing games. The 180Hz refresh rate is welcomed for gameplay, since it provides a nice and smooth, stutter-free image. The colors are nice and vivid, and pop out nicely, providing an enjoyable experience. When it comes to glossy versus matte finish, on glossy you would get more of a clear and shiny image. However, when playing games or even watching movies, reflections on glossy displays can become really annoying and get in the way. So usually you'll see a matte finish on gaming monitors to make sure you get a distraction-free display. Overall, this is a great value for the product and features. It works and looks great, it's easy to set up, and KTC manufactures monitors for some of the big name brands like Samsung and ViewSonic, so quality should be something you can expect from this brand. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested in purchasing the KTC H25T7, and I'll see you in the next one.